How to block YouTube channels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can block YouTube channels. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So if you want to block your YouTube channels, there are different levels you can go with it. So first of all, open up your YouTube and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then after that, you might notice that there is no direct way you can uh, block a YouTube channel, but there are few things that you can do instead of blocking the channel directly. There are different levels, as I said before at the beginning of the video. So the first thing is that if there is a channel that you don't want to see on a YouTube homepage, what you can do is you can find a video of that channel on the homepage. So let's say this is the one. Look for the three dots right here. Tap on the three dots of that video and long press on it. Then there you'll see a not interested option. You can tap on the not interested option, and then basically uh, you the videos from that channel will not get recommended to you anymore. And if you want to go a step further, you can tap on the three dots again, and there you'll see don't recommend channel option. So if you tap on that, this will stop the channel's content from appearing on your YouTube home feed completely. And that's another thing that you can do. Now if you don't want to interact with the channel or the channel with you at all, what you can do is head over to the channel. Open up the channels page and tap on the three dots on the top right then. After you do that, there you'll see hide user from my channel. Tap on hide user from my channel, and after you tap on that, tap on hide user. What this will do is this will hide existing and future comments or basically the user completely from the channel. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.